Hi guys, my name is Professor Scott Keys, and I'm going to be your instructor for this class over the next 9 weeks. As just stated, this is a shortened and it is a 9-week course, which means that the material that we're going to be covering is going to come at you a little bit faster than it normally would, because we're doing the course in half the amount of time. But I'm here to help you, I'm here to serve you, and try to meet your needs as best I can. And so I want to stress to you that if you feel yourself feeling overwhelmed or you need help in some way, please feel free to contact me. And you can do that via phone, but preferably email. And I will do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can with the most useful and helpful answer as I can. All right? And so with that said, I do want to extend a welcome to you and just let you know a couple things. First and foremost, please be sure to look at the syllabi for this class. It's got a lot of information in it that you definitely need to be aware of, including my late work policy, my plagiarism policy. These are things that you need to be sure that you're reading and understand, because I'm going to be holding you accountable for those things. So you want to make sure that you read those. The syllabus also has the book that you have to order. Hopefully by this point some of you have seen the announcement I uploaded and you've gotten that book. But it also has a reading outline for you. It has the due dates of when your assignments will be due, and it sort of stipulates and talks about what those assignments are. Generally speaking, each week you'll have a lecture that you have to listen to. You'll have some readings you have to listen to. I put in films every week for you to watch, and then generally speaking, each week you will have a discussion board that you have to respond to. And more often than not, although this does change from time to time, but more often than not, you're going to upload your main response to the discussion board by Wednesday, and then you'll have another response to a student by Sunday, and all of those need to be uploaded by 11:59 p.m. on those days. Okay. And with respects to discussion boards, just a quick note: I am looking for in-depth analysis and in-depth thinking. I don't want some basic response to the question. I want you to really, chew on the material. And even when you're responding to other students or responding to questions that I may ask, and if I do ask a question to you, please respond to me. But when you're responding to questions or leaving a response to somebody else, don't just say that you agree and that you like what they had to say. Provide new information. Provide a new point of view. Play the devil's advocate and try to think about the topics in different and new enlightening ways. Okay? And generally you'll have one of those each week and a quiz each week. Because this is a shortened class, there is no midterm and final. I just give you weekly quizzes that you will answer and respond. Okay? And then, of course, there will be a capstone sort of project that you'll have to do. It's a 4 to 5 page paper. You can find the directions for that assignment in the course information tab. Please be sure to read through those directions this week. You'll want to get started on that because you only have 9 weeks to complete the assignment. And then you'll want to contact me as soon as you know which of those topics that I've listed that you want to do, because it's a first-come, first-served basis. I only allow so many students to do any particular question because I don't want to be reading 20 papers on the same topic. I want some diversity there. So please be contacting me once you know what it is that you'd like to do, and we'll go from there. Okay, a couple other things. Anytime you have a lecture that you listen to, please be sure to listen to it as a slideshow. It's a PowerPoint, but I have voice narrated those lectures for you so that you're actually going to hear me lecturing to you. So please make sure you listen to it as a slideshow. And yeah, I actually think that that's all I really need to say at this point. So welcome, guys. And if you have questions or concerns, please contact me and I will get back to you. And with that, I will give you my sign-off that I always give, which is go in peace, be warm and filled, and may the force be with you. All right, guys, be blessed and have a great week.